Okay, so today we're gonna be replacing the under cabinet light that's not working. So the first thing we want to do is turn off the breaker. Once you get to your breaker box, make sure you look for the section. In this case, kitchen utility lights, section 21, right here. So section 21 off. Okay, we're back here at the site. So you want to make sure the power switch is off here in the kitchen and also here. Now we're just gonna take this part off here, remove the light bulb, and we're gonna remove this part here now. You wanna push in and pull out, just like so. Just remove. Now that everything is off, there should be no electricity coming through the wires. Remember, black wire is hot, is active, and the white wire is neutral. You have the copper wire, which is for ground. So now we're just gonna go ahead and remove it. But before we do, let's open up the new one here. Just because what we wanna do is just replicate exactly how the wiring is. So that's what we wanna do. So here we go. Remove this part. Remove the lights here as well. Okay, and the same thing here. You just push in and pull out. It should come on done. So here, you see the compartment here. It splits into two, so there's no need in reality to take the whole unit off. You just take this part off and just replace it with a new one, and it should be straightforward. So here we go. Black wire, active wire off, neutral wire off. You have the ground wire off. Okay. And then just take it off. I'm gonna put this one over here. And we're just gonna put the new one. So just as we put it in, we just replicate the process. This is gonna go into, I like to do my ground first for some reason. See, ground. All right. Ground wire. Put it in here, put it in place. Put the cap back on. White wire, neutral wire. Let's put it back on. Active wire, black wire, hot wire. Back on. So now, I'm just gonna tuck all those wires in there and put it back in place. Fits. Sure it fits, it's in there. And push in, clips into place. We're gonna put in the new light bulb here with it. Put it in place. This little structure here. All right. So now what we'll do is take all this junk out of the way and let's go ahead and turn on our breaker, see if it works. Breaker, section 21, on. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. We're gonna turn off our light here and turn it on here as well. And voila, it works.